How to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. To do that, here are some easy steps. Tap your PayPal balance that is located at the top of your screen. Then tap the transfer button. It's towards the bottom of the page under the More Options header. Next is to tap the Transfer to Bank. This is usually the first option with two arrows, one pointing left and the other pointing right. Next step is to verify the transfer amount and choose the speed of the transfer. But you have two options when doing this. That's the instant, where they transfers your funds to your bank account instantly for a small fee. The fee amount will display once you tap the tile. You can choose this option whether you have a debit card or bank account linked, or the 1 to 3 days. It is a completely free standard bank transfer that takes slightly longer to hit your bank account. Transfers made after 7 p.m. on weekends and holidays might take a little longer. You cannot choose this option if you don't have a bank account linked. Some banks might charge additional fees or take more time to complete the transfer. 1. In general, most major banks won't have these fees and do process the transfer within 1 to 3 business days without problems. 2. By default, all the money in your PayPal balance is included in the transfer. If you don't want to transfer at all, tap the pencil icon to change it to the amount you want to move to your bank account. Next step is to select your bank account. If the correct bank account is not already selected, tap Change and select it now. If you don't see the bank you want to transfer to, you'll need to link it to PayPal before you can withdraw your funds. You'll see it at the bottom of the screen. This transfers your funds to the selected bank account. And lastly, click the Transfer Amount Now button. So once again, I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about this, and that was it. Thank you.